In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video using Canva. Whether you're trying to edit out some unneeded parts or simply want to adjust your video's length, Canva makes this process simple and straightforward. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to canva.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to sign in using your credentials. Look for the login button, which you'll find conveniently located in the upper right corner of the home page. Canva gives you a couple of options for logging in, such as using your Google or Facebook account or simply your email. Once you're logged in, head to your design where your video is located. Within your project, locate the specific video that you have in mind for editing. Once you have your design open and your video selected, it's time to make some edits. On the toolbar, which is situated right above the editor, find and click on the trim icon. This is where the magic happens. When you click it, you'll notice that your video timeline gets highlighted with parts being grayed out. These highlighted sections represent the parts of your video that can now be adjusted. To trim your video, take a close look at the sliders positioned at each end of this highlighted section. You have the flexibility to drag these sliders. Move the left slider to set the new starting point of your video, and adjust the right slider to determine its ending point. The real beauty of Canva is how intuitive this process is. You literally get to visualize which parts of your video are kept and which are left out. Keep in mind that shortening the length is not your only option. You can also extend the video back to include omitted parts, ensuring you get the perfect length for your needs. Never hesitate to make these adjustments, as you can always go back and redo them until satisfied. Once you're happy with your trimming adjustments, it's time to lock in those changes. Simply click on the Done button to save your trimmed video. This saves all the adjustments to your design, preserving the new start and end points you've just created. If circumstances change, or if your creative direction takes a new path, you can always return and retrim as necessary. That's the beauty of Canva. It offers flexibility alongside easy editing capabilities. And there you have it, you've just learned how to trim a video in Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to take some time and explore this feature further. Don't hesitate to experiment with different lengths until you achieve the ideal result. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.